Alright, so I know that I've been teasing this trip for a couple weeks now, but I'm finally here to reveal that my trip is to Italy. I'm actually already here, you could probably tell by the different background. But yes, after doing 7 months of long distance with my boyfriend, it has been long overdue. We are finally back together. And this is also my first time in Europe in general, so this trip just means a lot to me. But in this vlog, I'm just going to be showing you guys everything I did to prepare for this trip. And also I really quickly just wanted to share with you guys one of my travel essentials that has just been saving my life. So that traveling essential for me has been ExpressVPN. So while I've been traveling, I've been using a lot of different public Wi-Fis in like airports, hotels, and cafes. It has just been crucial for me to protect my browsing data using a VPN, also known as a virtual private network. ExpressVPN creates a secure encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet so that your online activity can't be seen by anyone. But protecting myself with a VPN has truly been as simple as opening an app and pressing a button. It is so simple and you're able to connect it to so many devices. I'm able to connect it to my phone, my laptop, tablets, even your TV. And one of my favorite features about using a VPN is that I'm actually able to access content from other countries that are normally geo-locked. So it has just been super fun being able to play around, changing my location so I can access Netflix from Canada or the UK. But just a little FYI, Netflix Italy does have all the Studio Ghibli films, so I just thought I should share. So if you are also interested in staying nice and secure, go ahead and visit this website, expressvpn.com/Leilani, and you can actually get 3 months for free. So without further ado, here is all the prep for my trip. All right, hey friends. So right now we're gonna head into Target and I'm with my sister. She's helping me out. We're gonna run some errands, get everything else that I need for this Italy trip. Also gonna get some souvenirs for my bubby's family members. So we got a hectic day ahead of us. Going straight to the minis. I'm always scared to try a new eyeliner. Why do you still get Caprice? Alright, so we finished at Target. Now we gotta pop into Starbucks. I need to get a souvenir for my bubby's parents. You guys will see what I get them. It's really funny. Oh my god, which one should I get? Maybe I should get the San Diego one. That is precious. California tumbler. This is so cute. Got my Starbucks cup. Little bevy break. Cheers. You would go to the Japanese grocery store to buy toast?
Yeah, like just toast. Like I would walk in. Get
Sister.
my toast.
Japanese toast hits different.
It really does.
Okay, we got our Starbies. I got a San Diego mug for Bubby's parents. I hope they like it. It's like the most California thing I could think to get his Italian parents. And now we are heading to Daiso. Are we ever surprised? Probably not. The Rirakuma aisle is like sparser than usual. This is going to be a challenge. Are you kidding me? He's just a toast, sister. He's a toast. We gotta get her some sticky notes. Absolutely. Which stickers should I get her? The bread ones are good. Those are cute. Yeah, we're definitely getting her a pen. Oh, they're pencils? I don't know which sanitizer to get her. I look so scary.
vacuum packed sweet corn. Option corn.
No.
Just in case you were wondering.
Hey friends, so it is the next day. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. You could like see me in the background filming myself. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys the souvenirs that I ended up picking up for my bubby's family. So they didn't have that much Nidakuma items left at Daiso, but these are everything that I got for his sister. I picked out these stickers. I actually have this bread one and it is so freaking cute, like Brit. And for his parents, I ended up with this one. I think it's so cute. It's really cheesy, but I hope they like it. I'm honestly getting a little bit tired, but I need to power through. There's so much that needs to be done. And honestly, I think I'm going to start packing. My suitcase is in the garage, but I'm just gonna start bringing out the clothes that I want to bring onto this trip. So let's get started. I know that in a lot of parts of Europe, they're experiencing a heat wave right now, so I'm just gonna completely disregard my pants section. I think I'm honestly just gonna be going for like shorts, dresses, skirts, anything lightweight. Definitely gonna bring shorts. Okay, got a pretty hefty pile going over there. These aren't even all the clothes that I'm going to be bringing because I still need to do laundry. I am guilty of buying a lot of new clothes for this trip, so I wanted to wash those before I actually wear them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start folding up all the clothes that I have right here. Okay, so far not too bad. This is the whole pile of clothes, but once again, I still have to do laundry, so there's a lot of other clothes that I'm probably gonna add to this pile. But anyway, I'm just gonna hang these back up and probably open this Amazon box that I got. Oh girl, yes, rich auntie vibes. Okay, yes, I'm so excited about this. This is supposed to be a 2-in-1 straightener and curler. So it is a curler, but if you switch this, you could also now use it as a hair straightener. So I don't have to pack both a straightener and a curler, I could just pack this. I also just got some plug adapters so I could use these in Italy. Press on nails right in time because this one fell off. And a face mask, yay! Oh my god, I just tried on the sunglasses and this is the exact vibe I'm going for. Let me eat my gelato in peace, don't look at me. Love these vibes. Okay, the sun is nearly going down now, so I'm just gonna start transferring whatever clothes I have into my suitcase, and yeah. Hey friends! Alright, so it is officially my second to last day before my trip. This morning I finished up a little bit more packing, but for today's agenda I kind of just want to finish everything up so that tomorrow on my last day I can relax a little bit, maybe meet up with some friends and just really enjoy my last day. So today I need a hair appointment. It looks healthy from up here, but my ends are looking raggedy. Also have a nail appointment today, busted off this nail. Yeah, why don't we go ahead and head to the salon and get my hair done. Alright, so welcome to the salon. So we are indeed here in my bathroom. In all the vlogs of the girlies getting ready for their trips, I know that they're getting all these appointments for their hair, lashes, nails, all of that, but I'm a cheapo, so I just prefer to do things myself if I can. Also, the last time I actually got my hair done, I got it bleached and cut to here while I was living in Japan, and that completely destroyed my hair, so I've just been trimming my hair myself ever since. It took a really long time for it to grow out to the length it is now, but the ends are dead. And here I just have this kit that I also got from Amazon. It has my scissors and my shears. I was listening to this podcast of this girl saying that she saw a TikTok. I guess in the TikTok she was talking about how some people do so many things to get ready, like buying a whole new wardrobe, getting all their appointments done, and that ends up costing as much as the actual trip itself, and I could never. I think I want to cut off about maybe an inch or so today, so I'm just gonna go ahead. This is so satisfying. I feel like this is already looking a lot healthier. And I'm just gonna leave my bangs as is because I just cut them last week. Okay, so I had my mom even out the ends just to make sure that the line is nice and straight. So this is how it looks. I'm not too picky, so even enough. And I guess now we'll go ahead and go to my nail appointment, if you will. Alright, so I managed to remove all the nails and buff them out a little bit. So now I'm going in with these nails that I got the other day from Amazon. I've used these a couple times now and I really like them. They're just this simple nude, medium length squared nails. Alright, so I got the press-on nails on, so now I'm thinking of painting them. I recently got this new nail polish from Marshall's.